Welcome to Pullman Bangsar in Kuala Lumpur, room 1720. So let's see how the room looks like. Okay, you have a wardrobe at the side. Then you have a the bathroom with a vanity mirror, with a water closet and a shower. And you have a bathtub that basically overlooks the bedroom. So if you are sharing a room with somebody, it's probably wise to draw the blinds. So you have the typical coffee making facility with a normal Nescafe, TV, flat screen TV with 2 twin beds, and you have a couch and a study. Let's have a look at the view. Okay, this room is overlooking the highway and also overlooking the Klang Valley. So this is the Federal Highway overlooking the LRT station, University LRT station, Jaya line. Okay, let's look at it again. The twin bed, the TV, and the bathroom with the bathtub clearly visible from the bedroom. Okay, I think that's it. Coffee making facility. We have the wardrobe, the toilet again, and yeah, that's it. Okay, bye bye now. See you.